Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have this HP power supply. This came out of a Prodesk HP Prodesk 600. So this one is not working. Let's have a look together. What's wrong with this one? Okay, so let's take it apart. Okay, so we can now open it. As you can see, we are in. So let's have a look together and see if there is anything that looks damaged. So the very first thing you do when you work on a power supply like this, as I always mention this, is to check this main capacitor for stored charge. So this one is here. Let me bring the multimeter. Okay, so we have nothing at all, so it's safe to touch. Okay, now we will check the fuse. The fuse is over there. Yeah, so let's check the fuse if it is good or not in continuity mode. The fuse is blown. So why the fuse is blown? Let's check the bridge rectifier. The bridge rectifier is this black part. Yeah, this bridge rectifier comes after these coils and capacitors. So if we check the outer part, the outer pins of the rectifier, we have a short. As you can see, we have short. The inner two not shorted. Let's go to diode mode. Okay, let's put the black lead on one of the pins and check the inner pins. We should get 0.5 voltage drop. This means that the rectifier is good. If I put the positive lead now on this side and put the black lead on the two pins at the middle, we should also get 0.5 voltage drop. So this means that the rectifier is good, but we have something shorted afterwards. Yeah, so okay, so the board is out. As you can see, we have here two transistors. Yeah, and also we have another heatsink over there which have also two transistors, or one transistor and one diode. We should have a look at these two if they are good or not. So the diode is shorted. This one, this transistor is also shorted. What about this? It is also shorted, this big diode over here. So something there is shorted and causing the short to appear in different components. Let's first disconnect or desolder these two, the transistor and the diode. Okay. Okay, so these two components are now out. Let's test them now. The diode is shorted. The transistor is also shorted. What about this diode? Diode is good. This diode here is good. Okay, so we have here another diode. It might be shorted or might be because of a resistor in parallel. Also this one, so this should be okay, I think. This one is good. Let me go under the microscope. I just want to check the gate driving circuit of this transistor, this MOSFET. Okay, so I took the MOSFET from here. So here is where I took the MOSFET out. Yeah, so the gate driving circuit is this line. It goes here, then to this pad, then to this resistor. Let me check this resistor. This is a 10 ohm resistor. How much does it read? Let's go to resistance mode. It reads 10 ohms, so it is good. The one next to it is 4.7, also good. Let me check this transistor, W2T transistor. Point 5, 0.6, so I think it is good. Yeah, everything looks good now. Let's hope nothing is exploded. So I need to change both of these components, the transistor and the diode. The transistor is 65SL190D and the diode is MESR8L60. MESR8L60. Yeah, so let me find these and we will replace them. Okay, so here is the components, the transistor or the MOSFET and the diode. So let's take them out of the heatsink and install new ones. Okay, let's try now and test if we still have short. First, we found the short across the pins of the bridge rectifier. Do we still have short? No, we don't. There is no short now. Yeah, so this diode is reading 0.4 and this one is also not shorted, so we have no short anymore. But we still have to change the fuse. So let me take the fuse out. Okay, so the fuse is out. Let me just wick the old solder. So the fuse is 6.3 amps. I don't know if I'm having that one. Let me find out. Okay, so I found these fuses. They are glass fuses. It's a bit smaller, but the rating is exactly the same. It's 6.3 amps. So let's put this one and we will try the power supply. Okay, so the fuse is replaced. We have continuity now. Yes, we do. Let me put it back so we can test it. Okay, so I will connect the power through a series lamp to limit the current. Okay, let's connect the power cord and then we can try and turn on the power. Okay, the lamp did not flash at all. So let's test if we have voltage at the output of this power supply. What do we have here? We have 12 volts, yes, so it is working. It is working. Let's try and short the green wire and the black wire, and yes, it is working. It is working. Let's try again. It does work, yes. So I can say that this power supply is now fixed and hope it will not break again. Yeah, so thank you so much. I wish you like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and see you in another video.